Good morning, dear students. Welcome to all of you in online classes of mathematics and next topic of exercise 5.2 application of determinants. Application of determinants. Point number first, area of a triangle. Area of a triangle. First application, area of a triangle. If vertex of a triangle are x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3, three vertex A, B and C, then we know that area of triangle del equal to 1 by 2, determinant x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3, 1. Okay, that means area of triangle del is equal to 1 by 2, x1, y1, 1, x1, y1 vertex first, x2, y2 vertex second, x3, y3 vertex third. Okay, so area of triangle is delta is equal to something. Not since area is a positive quantity, area is a positive quantity. So while finding area, only positive value of determinant is taken. Okay, for example, find the area of triangle whose vertex are A, B and C. Area of triangle del is equal to 1 by 2. Formula of area of triangle 1 by 2 into x1, y1, x1, y1, it means minus 3, 3. x1, y1 first vertex, x2, y2 second vertex, B 2, 3, x3, y3 third vertex, 2 minus 2, 1, 1, 1. Okay, determinant, order of determinant 3 by 3, it means on expanding along R1, it means 1 by 2 into expanding along R1 minus 3 into leaving the corresponding row and column of element minus 3, it means 3 into 1 3 minus 2 into 1 minus 2, it means plus 2 minus 2 2 into 1 2 minus 2, okay, plus 1 minus 2 minus 4 minus 6, 1 by 2, 3 plus 2 5 into minus 3 minus 15, minus 2 0, okay, minus 6 minus 4 minus 10, 1 by 2 into minus 15 minus 10, it means minus 25 is equal to minus 25 by 2 is equal to minus 12.5 square unit, minus 12.5. Del is equal to 12.5 square unit positive because area of triangle is always positive. Area of triangle, because area of triangle is always positive. Therefore, del is equal to 12.5 square unit. Okay, that is the answer. Application first, complete area of triangle. Next application, condition of collinearity of 3 points. If 3 points A, B and C are collinear, it means the point A, B and C will lies on a straight line. For example, line AB, point C, point A, point C, point B, point A x1 y1, point C x3 y3, point B x2 y2. Point A, B, C will lies on a straight line. Okay, straight line, it means line L. If 3 point A x1 y1, B x2 y2 and C x3 y3 are collinear, then area of triangle is 0. 3 point are collinear, it means area of triangle is equal to 0, because the point A, B, C will be lies on a straight line. So del equal to 1 by 2, x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1 equal to 0, because triangle ABC is 0. Okay, implies 1 by 2 right side, it means 0, x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1 is equal to 0. Okay, for example, 3 point A over 3 minus 2, B over 5 2, C over at are collinear. Okay, point A, B, C are collinear. It means triangle, area of triangle is equal to 0. Area of triangle is equal to 0. It means x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1 is equal to 0. Apply the formula x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1 is equal to 0. x1 y1 first point, 3 minus 2 1. x2 y2 second point, 5 2 1. x3 y3 third point, at 1 is equal to 0. Implies on expanding along R1. Okay, 3 2 minus at minus 2 into 5 minus at plus 1 into at into 5 40 minus at into 2 16 is equal to minus plus 2 minus at minus 6 into 3 minus 6 into 3 at 10 minus at 10. Okay, 5 minus at, it means minus 3, minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 into 2, sorry, minus 2 plus 2. Okay, plus minus plus minus, it means minus plus and plus 1, minus 3 plus 2, it means minus 6, plus 40 minus 16 24. Okay, minus 24 plus 24 is equal to 0. It means area of triangle is equal to 0. So point A, B, C are collinear. Okay, second application complete. And third application, equation of a line passing through 2 points. Equation of a line passing through 2 points. If A over x1 y1 and B over x2 y2 be 2 points. If A over x1 y1 and B over x2 y2 be 2 points, and let P of xy be any point on line AB. On line AB any point. So point A over x1 y1, point B over x2 y2. Okay, if A and B any 2 points, and let P over xy be any point on line AB, it means P over xy. Okay, then point PAB collinear, because point ABP will be lies on straight line. It means point ABP are collinear. It means triangle of area is equal to 0. Again, if point A x1 y1 and point B x2 y2 be 2 points and let P of xy be any point on line AB, then point P, A and B collinear. Okay, collinear point, it means area of triangle ABC is equal to 0. Area of triangle is 0. It means x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1 is equal to 0. For example, equation of line passing through the point P A over 3 1 and B over 9 3 is given as let point P over xy and point A is equal to 3 1, B equal to 9 3. Point P over xy, point A, point B, given that. Okay. Formula of x1 y1, it means x y1, x2 y2 3 1 1, x3 y3 9 3 1 is equal to 0. Okay. On expanding along r1 x, it means 1 1 1 minus 3 minus y 9 minus 3 plus 1 3 3 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. Minus 2x 9 minus 3 6, it means minus 6y 9 minus 9 0 is equal to 0. Minus 2 into x plus 3y is equal to 0. It means x plus 3y is equal to 0. X plus 3y is equal to 0. It means x into, leaving the corresponding row and column of element x, 1 into 1 minus 3 minus y 3 minus 9. Okay, minus 2x 3 minus 9 minus 6, it means minus plus 6y plus 0 is equal to 0. Minus 2 into x minus 3y is equal to 0, implies x minus 3y is equal to 0, which is the required equation of a line. X minus 3y is equal to 0 implies x minus 3y equal to 0, which is the required equation of a line. Application 3rd complete. And next topic, solution of system of linear equation. Solution of system of linear equation. First point, Cramer rules. First point, solution of system of linear equation of two variables. Solution of system of linear equation of two variables. It means let the system of linear equation of two variable be a1x plus b1y plus is equal to c1 equation first, a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. Two variables, it means x and y. Linear equation, it means x power of 1, y power of 1. Linear equation. Equation first, equation 2. Then by Cramer rules. Cramer rules, x is equal to x1 upon, del 1 upon del and y equal to del 2 upon del. Value of x is equal to del 1 upon del and value of y is equal to del 2 upon del. So, by Cramer rule, where del equal to del x coefficient of xy, it means a1 a2 b1 b2, a1 a2 b1 b2 del, and del 1 is equal to del 1, it means first column constant c1 c2 and b1 b2, coefficient of y and constant term and coefficient of y del 1. Del 1 is equal to c1 c2 and b1 b2. Del 2 is equal to del 2 coefficient of x a1 a2 and constant term c1 c2. Again, solution of system of linear equation of two variables. Let the system of linear equation of two variables a1x b1y is equal to c1, a2x plus b2y is equal to c2 equation first and second. By Cramer rules, value of x is equal to del 1 upon del and value of y equal to del 2 upon a del, where del is equal to coefficient of xy a1 a2 b1 b2 a1 a2 b1 b2. Determinant del 1 is equal to del 1, it means constant term c1 c2, coefficient of y b1 b2, and del 2 is equal to coefficient of x a1 a2 and constant term c1 c2. Okay, special condition first condition, if a1 upon a2 not equal b1 upon a b2, a1 upon a2 not equal b1 upon b2, then it has a unique solution. This system is called consistent and independent. This system is called consistent and independent. When a1 upon a2 not equal b1 upon b2, then it has a unique solution. This system is called consistent and independent. Okay, point number first complete. Second point, if a1 upon a2 equal b1 upon b2 not equal c1 upon c2. a1 a2 coefficient of x, b1 b2 coefficient of y, and c1 upon c2 constant term. a1 a2 coefficient of x, b1 b2 coefficient of y, c1 c2 constant term. Okay, then it has not solution. When a1 upon a2 equal b1 upon b2 not equal c1 upon c2, then it has no solution. This system is called inconsistent. This system is called inconsistent. Point number third, a1 upon a2 equal b1 upon b2 equal c1 upon c2. Then it has infinite number of solution. When a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2, c1 upon c2, then it has infinite number of solution. The system is called consistent and dependent. This system is called consistent and dependent. Special condition 3 point, first, second and third. Okay, next topic, second, solution of system of linear equation for three variables. Okay, before two variables and after three variables. Let the system of simultaneous linear equation of three variables be a1x b1y plus c1z equal to d1 x y z, three variables. Okay, it means three equation. Two variables, it means two equation. Three variables, it means three equation. a1x plus b1y plus c1z is equal to d1, a2x plus b2y plus c2z is equal to d2 equation 2, and a3x b3y plus c3z is equal to d3. x y z, coefficient of x y z is equal to a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2, a3 b3 c3, constant term d1 d2 d3. Okay, then by Cramer rules. Cramer rules, value of x is equal to del 1 upon del, value of y is equal to del 2 upon del, value of z is equal to del 3 upon del, where del equal to coefficient of x y z, coefficient of x a1 a2 a3, a1 a2 a3, coefficient y b1 b2 b3, coefficient of z c1 c2 c3, and del 1 is equal to del 1 constant term d1 d2 d3, coefficient of y b1 b2 b3, coefficient of z c1 c2 c3, del 2, it means constant term second row d1 d2 d3, first coefficient of x, third coefficient of z. Okay, del 3, it means 3 colon constant term d1 d2 d3. First coefficient of x, third coefficient of y. Coefficient of x a1 a2 a3, coefficient of y b1 b2 b3, constant term d1 d2 d3. Okay, del is equal to del 1 is equal to del 2 is equal to del 3 is equal to. Okay, special condition. Condition first, if del not equal 0, del not equal 0, then system of equation have a unique solution. Del not equal 0, this system of equation have unique solution and is called consistent. Okay, del not equal 0, this system of equation have a unique solution and is called consistent. Second point, if del equal to 0 and del 1, del 2, del 3 equal to 0, then the given system of equation may or may not be consistent. However, if it is consistent, then it has infinitely many solutions. Okay. Third point, if del equal to 0 and one of del 1, del 2 or del 3 is non-zero, del equal to 0 and one of del 1, del 2 and del 3 is non-zero, it means not equal 0, then system of equation is inconsistent and have no solution. Okay, this system of equation is inconsistent and have no solution. Special condition third, first, second and third complete. We will discuss in next video. Thank you so much.